Hi guys. So we forgot to turn on the camera when we put the chicken inside, but we put the chicken and it has done steaming. We've already said the ingredients we used to do this, but if you want to know again, is bay leaves, jumbo curry, jumbo Maggi cubes.
Chicken.
We put curry, a spoon of curry, a hint of thyme, and
Bay leaves. And
salt
as well.
So now we've prepared the ingredients for the fried rice. This is green, yellow, and red peppers. This is frozen peas and maize. This is gizzard. This is onions, and this is carrots.
Okay.
So now we're going to be cooking the rice. We're going to be cooking. This is the first round of cooking for the rice. So we're going to be cooking four cups of this rice. So first thing you do is you get your water steaming hot.
Yeah.
So that when the rice goes in, it doesn't start sucking up water. It just starts cooking straight away.
Hey,
so we take four cups. We're going to take 4 cups.
Oh, shall we make it 5? Go to mother fun. Nnamdi.
All the rice is too much. Yeah, no chance to this ingredients.
Okay, half.
I compromise here now. I make one in the middle.
Okay, now.
4.5.
Okay.
We
have
to stir it a little bit. We have to stir it a little bit, and then.
This rice you parboil it like just
a couple of minutes.
Just a couple of minutes.
It's good to have hot water on the side.
Prepared.
We've already prepared hot water on the kettle. As soon as we remove this rice from the pot, we're going to put this water here. It's already hot. It's going to pick up. As soon as we are done removing the water, we'll put it back in. It's already hot. It won't drink
absorb
water.
Yeah.
It won't absorb water. It will just start cooking.
Okay, move rice go lozo. See your cupboard.
Yeah.
Oshite. Okay, put your rice again.
Yeah.
You cover.
Now it's just a waiting game. A couple of minutes.
Yeah.
And it should be alright. Okay, so I've now drained the rice. This is the turkey and the chicken water, which I'll be using to cook the rice. But first of all, I will be draining it on this thing, so that if the bay leaves, this in here,
more stiff.
This sieve, I'll be using it to drain this turkey water, so that any unwanted substances, the bay leaves as well, will not enter on the rice.
So in Asia, gbatu ọkụ gas nnukwu ma ịgbanyụọ ya ka ọ hafe zaba osite release onwe go wee 1 mmiri. Okay, just gbaa the ite mmiri. Just gbaa the mmiri, just gbaa the ite mmiri ka right here tap. Ngacha ya. Kwafu. Case onwe ụmụ kirikiri ọkpụkpụ. Small little bones inside. Woofu. Tinye ya back to pot. Okay. Filter mmiri gị n'ime there. You can finish it in here. May I bring here? So another way to quicken it, you can use your spoon. Okay, well, we're using because when I came before Quaho.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we'll pour in the rice. Don't worry. Fall in.
Okay, teacher hancha, fancha. I didn't waste going real. You don't waste food at all. Okay, when I turn oil, just one your little. It one year walk in our wabat. Just when one a spoon. Pom. Na agbasi agbasa ka ọ na-aba abacha na mmiri. This rice here, fried rice. Ọ naghị eghe ka rice here, rice eji stew eri. So ọ na-eshibiri because we etinyezi all these ingredients here. Maka ha ncha a na-eshikwe ha n'ọkụ mgbe ahụ ha ncha do done with them. So cover your rice and give it another 12 minutes. Then you start adding you start frying your veg. Okay, you start frying your veg for it. Okay, so I'm going massa. Okay.
All right. So the rice is now done. The chicken water and the turkey water has dried on the rice.
Yeah.
So it's now done. We are now going to put it aside and start frying the vegetables with the gizzard.
Look oil geba your granite oil, sunflower oil.
We're going to use sunflower oil.
If you share ching about you, tie enough. Also,
I have finished the legua. Come on, no ya to la.
come on, Yaka.
Come on, no yaka.
Akari, come on, Yato.
All right, so
we'll
raise the heat. When it starts picking up, we'll start from the carrot. The carrot is the hardest out of all of this. So I'm going to put it first, and what's it called? Fry it for 2 minutes, around 2 minutes before we put all these things, the remaining, slowly, obviously. Then we're going to put the onions. We have put it in order. We're going to put the carrot.
Oh, hey, it's here. Egu. Hey.
Alright, so we're putting the carrot now.
Now when gajibu? Yes, so the plain spoon. When gajibu spoon clean. Maka mba. When gajibu spoon the clean. Maka Osarambara. Woo. Osarambara. My good chef. Un bravo cuoco. Osite. Ozuko nke mmasu. Una manu.
No taste ya. Otago. Ka nsigbo ife ọhụrụ peperepe.
Hey.
Otago. Ile eri ihe a. Nsigbo ife a na-eli ife iloka.
Hey, na nwaanyị sikpọ mmadụ anya biko.
Don't worry about it.
O na-esikpọkwa mmadụ anya biko.
Come half here, come worry la turn near too much. Go quick your heat.
Oh, saraba. Okay. I start adding.
Alright, so it's been 2 minutes. So
You
we're
add
going
your
to put
onions
now.
Well sliced chopped onions, sliced chopped the same. Oh,
Right?
Egwu. You add your gizzard. Ore ngaji na-eme ife ahụ.
Element nke ndị oyibo.
Ndị oyibo kwa.
Ka you use ngaji.
Hey, egwu na-akpọ ife a.
Obi agụ.
Ọkwa ndị obi agụ. Nwune, deka imeri. Oh. Echekwana ya achụ o. Maka ọ ya ahụ gị naanị nwanne. Ngwa, tinye ihe a gị. Tinye ya green beans. Ọsị apapụta gị. Ọ dịga papụta ego ka o sie. Can you not add? Okay, the green beans.
Yeah, adding green beans now.
Ozo. For second one. You add your what? Your corn.
Corn.
Your sweet corn.
Nothing here. Yeah, we hear Odogusi.
Hey.
Adi TV and Tembo. Hello, where is it? The solicitor. Barrister.
Hey.
You know really abia Odogu na-esi ife.
Ya atụ na ya atụ.
You know really abia
Ma atụ na ya atụ. Hey.
Oh.
Ngwa. Welite volume here. Ngwa nna, jide ya. Oh.
So after you put everything, you put
Jumbo cube like
Jumbo cube.
maybe 2.
I put one.
You add another one. Okay, it's here again.
Then
It's here.
we'll put
Like a spoon of
mad curry. We'll put a spoon of curry.
oh bag.
Yeah. Na-eshi ihe Africa, la anụta African music. Ọ gị na-eshi ihe Africa, la anụta dịrị Ed Sheeran. Yotago, na-esi ihe Africa, nke African song, yotago na-ebe ndụ, na-eme enjoy life.
Little salt. You need to add little salt.
Yep.
Kedu nnu? Ngwa tinye nnu. Ha chilling.
Oh, to the DJs.
Okay, now you start adding the rice, the cooked rice. Okay. Ngwa. Ikurira onye. Of no na agbachi igwe. Na were bigger here, ngaji. Were bigger spoon. Ka ọ na-aga. You need to cook the rice so much na pepper. Oh. Good. Hi. Oh, see, tebem. Now we because we are going to fry them. One side no tonight. Hachirim. Hey, gelum kwenum. Ditila na ke so facendo the cause that we.
We can't even hear you, Nnamdi. Me, so.
Aqua half of here this eating. Maka ingredient. So you start what? Frying.
That's why it's called fried rice. What are you mean? All I should more rice now. We are already now. The chicken, not the chicken, the gizzard line ham and total at the tail.
So you know the smaller rice. The smaller rice, more ingredients, yeah?
Yeah. Which I like here anyway. Depending here like for the short.
You taste. Ndiala.
Yeah, he lay with all to actually me logo.
How is it?
Autumn.
Come taste, yeah.
Autumn.
You have to put your curry. Curry na enye ezigbo taste.
Yeah, the one mama.
Okay. Hey, mama mia. On never na apụala. Okay. Itinye ihe agi your pepper last. Because if you put this pepper while you were frying other veg, it will start making it to lose quality, you know. So this one goes last, because it will make your rice to last longer. Because if you put it while frying others, it will make your rice to become sour and start drawing, which is not good. So after turning it, then you remove the rice from cooking. Because all your hair you chair a papi ozugbo. Okay, make give him nanya one. Okay, make give him nanya one. Okay, now this one is done now. Okay, so friends, Akwifu to say his rice. We are going to do the second bit. This one is done now. Don't overcook the green beans, pepper and the yellow pepper, because it will start drawing.
Okay, no problem. We name can I be the with name carrot. Alright, so I'm doing the second batch now. We're doing the second batch of the frying. Alright, so your ingredients are ready?
Yeah.
Or maybe jumbo, I need one more. Yeah, the car one. So this is what I mean when I say Maggi jumbo. This is it right here. Maggi jumbo.
Chicken. It's quite good.
It's a chicken flavored.
No,
don't worry. I'm not gonna like it.
Carrots.
You want to see if it's already. Let's put it. Yeah.
I think it's hot now.
Right. Yeah. Oko de menisi up nepa.
Hey, it's again.
Ningam chili men na kukwatu mu anesewa. Adam mesewa kwa o. Bu na eja adam mesewa. Adam mesewa. Adam mesewa.
Hey. Now for this guy, this guy go kill person, eh?
Like I said earlier.
Oh, see, Tebem, my good chef.
2 minutes. around 2 minutes anyway. So it's been around 2 minutes now.
You add your
So
onion.
we add onions.
We try we pancha. Because we are doing the last batch.
So
Your gizzard. Because you make it in a sink for wash. You need more chance.
I don't talk that much.
You do what?
I don't talk that much, man.
Oh yeah. You cook the onion. Hey. Bobo Tigbo mission. That's one. No. Remember after rice. This one goes up. Hey, Chineke, here ki esi na uni.
Mayo. Oh, my aramuta yotago. Man, na kupatsu.
Okay.
We put the Maggi cubes now. Go see your advice here.
Okay, tinyecha fancha because this last batch now the bigger.
Also need to get curry.
Yeah, curry here. Mosquere.
Like I said earlier, 1 spoon.
Tinye 2 because of the rice for the bigger. The mosquere. All right. Kuchi I open nose. You fry like another 2-3 minutes. All right.
So it's been a couple of minutes. It's now time to put in the rice. All right.
Rekele meloka adina rekele.
There you see alaba. Iwe kanawada. Just the make me to holla. Oyado, Olisado, Olisamuado. And I'm going to eat it, take off. Olisamu, take it from you.
Hey, ị na-esikwa osikpo nwa mkpi anya e. Nke a bụkwa elisi abịa ọzọ. Nna ndị roommate gị ha na flatmate gị ha na blockmate gị ha ncha. Ha atọkwa na nkọlọyị. Fa ya atọkwa na nkọlọyị ebe fa na-eri rice.
Well,
Nah, tempo lontano da tua cucina. Are you tasting?
Yeah.
How is it?
Which day?
Other quarter?
All my priority. I test it.
Na megun.
I test it. Makalishi.
Makameshi ila agbali. Onye ekuziere gị? Onye ekuziere gị? Hey, nwa agọnarịkwa nụ m. Ọkwa m na-akụzi ihe o yesi na uni. Hey, so, in conclusion,
so we already cooked the meat and we're going to Haiti and Efen Golano. Yotago, Golano. Yotago, Golano.
So, Nnamdi chichago rice ya. O chichago rice nkuzieli ya. So You add your this thing last. Ikukwana ka mmiri, onwe mmiri nọ na ebe ikukwana ka ọ ba na your rice. Just kuru elu elu. You tinye the here.
You know what? Kagari kuru dam turkey.
Kuru elu. Add your this thing.
Peppers.
3 colors of peppers we use: red, yellow, and green. Make sure you don't add the water. You got on, no? Alright, that goes last. It's on, no? I can't have a boka because remember, as I explained before, eating a while frying other things, it will start drawing. It makes food too sour. Rice. Whenever you cook rice and you find out that that your rice is sour or drawing, that's a cause of those peppers there. That green, red, and yellow pepper, especially green one, is the worst. So you put it last. When your rice is done, you put it last, turn it, and remove the rice from fire. Okay? So Nnamdi is done with the cooking.
So we are done for today. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Although you have see fried rice, mo nwa go naga uni mo ihe. Nye ya ihe. Yotago.
Kuzeria. As your mom taught you now.
Yotago. As mjira aka m share here now.
Nwa agona rekwa mbiko.
By myself.
Hey, onye na kuzeri
gi. We negotiate your children this
the fried rice. So we are going to use the chicken and the turkey.
Okay.
It's not turkey. Turkey. So we are going to use the turkey and chicken for the rice. Okay. Hi, fry. Come, la la. Asalam grammar. So if you like our cook, Kehem could cook. If you like our cooking today, as Nnamdi will be going to uni, he has showed you people how he'll be cooking his fried rice. Mommy is not there anymore to cook for him, so I've taught him, showed him the way. So Nnamdi, I wish you good luck as you are going to uni. Make sure you cook well, eat well, okay? And especially getting healthy. So bye guys.
I got the boom.
So love, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.